I've began to see my life in a series of tipping points glued together with the words before and after. My time in Gandoca was one of these chapters that changed everything, a tipping point.
Oh!
I had changed, and so my perspective on the world had changed. And I can't go back to the person I was before this.
Whoa! I feel like Jane.
I came to Gandoca seeking answers. I was tired of living in a culture and a society that was burnt out and disconnected from itself and the earth.
Enferma?
And I had this idea that there were people out there living differently than me and my culture. And if I found them, maybe I could learn from them.
Con un poquito de maíz orgánico y cinnamon.
It was my hope that inside this kind of lifestyle was some of the wisdom my ancestors lost a long time ago.
Wow.
And so this journey brought me here, to Gandoca, a tiny town in the corner of Costa Rica, where locals live close to the land, the ocean, and each other. And boy, was I humbled.
Last 24 hours without power or internet.
This way of life was a lot harder than I thought it would be, and my idealism was tested. But along the way, I also learned so much. I learned about minimalism, to do without the consumeristic tendencies of my culture. And as I got closer and closer to the land, a new sense of richness inside of me emerged. For the first time in my life, I truly felt abundant.
Absolutely.
And if you, dear viewer, changed a little bit too by coming along with me, then oh boy, I've accomplished every storyteller's dream.
Woo! Oh.
And just as every story comes to a close, before I knew it, it was time to say goodbye to the tiny town that changed everything.
That was one of the most beautiful sunrises I think I've ever seen in my life. Today is my last full day in Gandoca.
Can you even hear me over the waves?
And I'm feeling very bittersweet. Feeling ready to go, ready to move on to the next thing, the next project. But also, I'm gonna miss everyone here so much, and I'm gonna miss the beach, and I'm gonna miss the jungle, and I'm gonna miss the community. I'm gonna miss Sandra.
Just like every other day, my last day of volunteering began with some garden work. Today we're foraging for greens and picking some fresh tropical fruit.
Guanabana.
Guanábana.
¿Es guanabana?
Prueba.
Ok. ¿Es dulce?
Sí, es dulce. Es muy bueno.
It tastes like sour candy. I'm covered in sweat, absolutely covered in dirt, and found a little bird's nest. Let's see if they fly away when I come by. Woo! Okay, they did.
What a weird place to put a bird's nest because it's so close to ground level.
Encendedor.
Chores are done for the morning, so I'm gonna go to the beach for a bit and later meet the other volunteers to learn how to make some local style jewelry out of coconuts. You guys don't know. You both heard it.
Oh shit, why does yours look good?
Because they
I don't like you anymore.
removed all the sand. You don't have to. I just want to see what it looks like because I forgot to do that.
Okay, hold it and smile because now I want a photo of you. So I can always remember you.
Gracias.
Okay, bueno.
It's good, but not quite ready. Ooh,
Yeah, es estaño.
como queso.
It does this wonderful things.
So before you eat it,
We're gonna come over here.
I think I know what this is gonna do.
Try it.
Some limon.
Much less acidic though, right?
Mira, bro.
Es más dulce, sí.
Más dulce. Pequeño más dulce.
Bien, Sandra, tú es muy bonita.
Aquí nosotras disfrutando de Playa Gandoca, Caribe Sur, Costa Rica. Pura vida.
Pura vida! Sandra took me to the lagoon nearby Gandoca. The water's been way too crazy to swim in the main part of the ocean, so you can swim here.